In the next episode, Dennis will receive a handwritten story with no sender name. The page describes a boy who survive a family tragedy, grow up under another identity, and become the enemy of the brothers searching for him. Dennis will initially think Aras word it as a way of explaining his feeling, but the language is older than and more detailed than anything he could create. When she showed the opening page to Theomar, he reacted with anger because one sentence repeat what he remembered hearing during childhood. A new name is safer than an old truth. Tumar will excuse Dennis of inventing the story to push him toward Aras. Hurt by his distress, she will take the page to Layla. Layla noticed that the first letter to every paragraph from a message telling him to visit the old open air cinema after sunset. Aras want to go immediately, but Dennis insisted on leading the search because the manuscript was sent to her at the cinema. They will find scene from an old family while film projected onto the empty screen. The image show Boardroom Street, the Kaya Hotel, and a children festival held long ago. Aras will notice two boys in the background, but every time their faces are doubt to become clear. The film cuts. Someone is controlling the projector from a locked booth. Tuman climbed to the roof and entered through a broken window only to find the machine running automatically beside it is the second half of the manuscript. The section does not describe Damir past, it describes events that happened to Dennis during the previous week, including private conversation nobody should have heard. Dennis realized she was chosen because someone has been watching her movement and using her connection to both Aras and Tuman. The final page ordered her to choose which young man should receive the last chapter, refusing to become a toll in their rivalry. Dennis tears the page in half and gives one piece to each of them. One plays together. The piece reveal a drawing of a stage door being the cinema. Behind that door, the group find a small rehearsal room containing consume from the old festival. Tumar recognized one child Jack and remember wearing it while another boy waiting behind the curtain. Ras recall the same moment from the opposite side. Before they can compare memories, Sibnam arrives and orders the cinema owner to shut everything down. Dennis comforts her, but Sibnam claims she received an anonymous invitation too.